you like to follow the traces left by humanity in ancient times and time travel to gain an exciting experience? Take a deep breath. Feel the unique history in your soul.
Taşların içinden böyle suratları bakıyorum. Hemen aklıma reportajın adı geldi. Afrodisya çığlığı atıyor.
Ey gidin Efes'i, Efes'i, Efelerin Efes'i.
Would you like to witness the journey of Aydın's unique history extending to eternity? When you explore historical artifacts inherited from the past which are surrounded by nature, your soul gonna feel fascinating. You're invited to ancient city of Tralles, where the oldest song of the world was written, to listen to the song of Seikilos.